Tiger sharks, known for their distinctive markings and fearsome reputation, possess some truly intriguing characteristics. Despite their name, they don't have stripes like tigers. However, they do have a unique pattern of dark, vertical stripes on their young, which fade as they grow older. These remarkable sharks are known as garbage disposals of the ocean because their diet is incredibly varied and includes anything from fish and turtles to birds and even tires. Another fascinating fact is that they have excellent eyesight, allowing them to hunt both during the day and at night. With their powerful jaws and impressive size, tiger sharks are truly fascinating creatures of the deep.